big accessory. All right, it's Friday. Not a whole heck of a lot to update. The black scorpions we sent, blue and brushed aluminum. HyperScorpions are also on the way already. We're just increasing the speed that we can make them and the consistency. So now we're focusing some attention on the accessories. The scorpions are starting to get out in the field. We can start seeing how people are modifying their bikes and a lot of cool stuff people are doing. Same here. We're also, just like everybody else, kind of messing around with the bike and, you know, kind of seeing the cool stuff we can do. So this has been my daily driver for the last couple days. Really liking the way this turned out. Stripped everything away, so it's super minimal. Actually a lot lighter too. The frame is designed to be used in this way, and I'll show you how that is. In your frames, you have like a little mounting point here. These are basically standard motorcycle foot pegs. This assembly we will package up and we'll sell it as an accessory. I've also changed the handlebar on the bike to the scrambler handlebar, since you don't really need the pedal. You can have it set a little bit more aggressively. And one other thing I just want to mention is a huge demand in bicycle and e-bikes. I guess pandemic has created kind of the cabin fever. It's been challenging to get parts. E-bike and bikes, they all use some of the same parts. So everybody's making a run on these parts, and it's creating a hurdle. We know that there's you know, a lot of companies, not just Juiced, but a lot of them are kind of like running low on certain items, and everybody's doing the best we can to get these bikes out. So another accessory that we're working on is the cargo rack. This rack is designed for any sort of cargo that you need to put on it, but specifically for food delivery. So your food delivery boxes and backpacks fit on there like that. And then here you can strap them down onto the rack. You can also fit dairy crates. So you can fit the 13-inch ones and you can fit the 19-inch ones right in here. Another cool thing on this rack is you have a modular platform, so you can lock in different type of accessories. So this is the mounting plate for the modular accessory. This bracket mounts to the bottom of any box or bag or whatever you want to mount it to. And then this system clicks in place like that. And that's pretty solid. And to pull it off, you pull this lever and pop it off like that. So we'll be selling the adapter, and also this rack will be compatible with that. So definitely excited to bring this product to the market that's made to do delivery work, and very, very well suited. So I forgot to mention in the last video that the HyperScorpions come with alarm system, and I'll kind of show you how that works. You have a remote like that, and you set the alarm, and you hear the beep. That means it's armed, and if somebody touches your bike, you got a warning, and if they keep touching it, then you get an alarm system. And then to turn it off, you just hit the disarm button like that, and then the bike is disarmed. Also, the passenger seat and the passenger foot pegs are working on still. So yeah, and it works like that. It goes like that. So this week is wrapping up. Still got tonight and tomorrow night. So these days they're going 2 shifts, so overtime every day. The weather turned like super hot, very humid, very humid. So we sent several HyperScorpion units by air to the US. Down in San Diego, they're doing some of the marketing stuff. Kind of behind on that, but finally getting to catch up with that as we got the production units in. But yeah, not a whole lot to update on the development side. We're kind of moving to the production phase. So we've been working, fill all the orders, and at the same time building up some stock. As I said before, the goal is to have these bikes shipping the next day. We're still on the path to get there, but it still take a little bit of time. So get your order in, and we'll get these things out to you. Thank you very much again for your support. I'll keep you guys updated.